everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, and today I'm going to show you how to make perfect rice. I know it can be extremely frustrating when rice doesn't turn out the way you expect it to, considering that it looks like it should be something that's super simple. But with a few tips and tricks, I've managed to pull off restaurant quality rice every time I've made it, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. So let's get cooking. Before I start making my rice, I like to rinse it in running water at least 4 to 5 times to get rid of any excess starch. Doing this will make sure that your rice comes out nice and separate and fluffy, and it won't be a complete mush once it's cooked. Once I'm done rinsing my rice, I soak it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Soaking your rice breaks down things that are difficult to digest, such as certain proteins. So if you've ever felt really heavy after eating rice, try soaking it and see if that makes a difference, because it did for me. Now that I'm done rinsing and soaking, I'm going to start making my rice. So I'm going to bring 2 cups of water to a boil in my pot here. So for 1 cup of rice, you want 2 cups of water. Once it starts bubbling, I'm going to add my rinsed and soaked rice. I'm also going to add around half a teaspoon of oil to this, which makes the rice even more separate once it's done cooking. Now that the rice has also come to a boil, I'm going to reduce the heat to low, cover it with a lid, and set my timer for 15 minutes. At the 7-minute mark, I like to fluff up my rice with a spoon really gently, making sure not to break any grains. Putting the lid back on, and I'm going to wait till my timer goes off. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, and as you can see, the rice looks completely cooked, it's nice and separate, and it's completely fluffy. So as you can see, it just takes a few simple adjustments to make perfect rice. I know these tips have worked out really well for me, and I'd love to hear from you guys if it worked for you too. And I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye.